Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a workflow video for the Quadremesher. Okay, so you see here the mask, edgy mask, and you want to get something here like this, a quadremesh shape, or here like this. So there are no sharp edges, so I extract the whole thing here. So first I choose here shell and or none. So I extract a little bit with the offset from the shape here. Only to see it a little bit better. So extract. So, and here the mask here I clear. So, and I use solo view. So you see here, this is my shape here. And the higher the resolution, so yeah, you can use different workflows. So I show you workflow 1. So here in the MISC menu, you see here decimation. So here you can set the geometry. So I set it here to 99%. So I decimate the whole thing here. And you see here you get the shape a little bit better. So with a move tool you can move around the vertices a little bit, so it's easier when you have only a few vertices. Maybe here a little bit. Okay. So then you could use the cell mask tool. So I mask here the vertices here. Oops, not this. So only this one, this, this, this. Here is one, here, and this one. And here in the operations menu, you can here no checkbox active at the moment. So I relax here the mesh. And then let's see what the quadremesher does. So we can again relax. So I fix here a few things with the move tool. Okie dokie, so let's smooth it a little bit. Oh, so I have to use here sticky vertex. So there is here overlapping here. This guy here. So when there's something here like this here, use the hide tool, and hide this. Or use the move tool. and bring it in position. So like this here. And now I think Quadremesher should work. So yeah. So here in the menu you can select here the both shapes, and here is a reproject option, vertices here. So reproject from high res. So where is it? So this is our mesh, and if you like you can move around a few vertices you don't like. So yeah, maybe Quadremesher works if you type a few times, so then you get a nice quadremeshed thing. Yeah, you have to spend a few minutes to get a mesh nice quadremeshed. Where's my setting? So yeah. Okay, this is a workflow video. So that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.